Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a creditor or supplier. By creating a new creditor or supplier, you create an account on a GoodX system. Once your account is set up, diligently track received goods and services from the creditor, with payment expected on an agreed upon date upon successful delivery. In this video, we will start on the Creditors screen. Click on the New Creditor button to add a new creditor. The Creditor Details screen will open. We will now go over the various fields within this screen which need to be completed in order to create a new creditor or supplier. File number is a unique identification number specifically assigned to the creditor or supplier, serving as a reference to the corresponding hard copy file. Click on a creditor type drop-down menu and select the desired option. The assistant option is chosen when practitioners have a contracted assistant participating in operations or surgical procedures. The creditor option is used when the creditor is a supplier of services to the practice. The manufacturer option is used when a company is a manufacturer of products and supply them to the practice, for example a pharmaceutical company. Please note that when the assistant has been chosen, an additional field will become available. Click on a payment agreement drop-down menu and select the applicable payment arrangement for the newly added assistant. Add the creditor's name and available contact information in their respective fields. Click on the Choose Communication Language drop-down menu and select the desired language. Email refers to the email address of the creditor for inquiries or placement of orders. Add the creditor's postal address at which any documentation or notices can be sent. Type the name and cell phone number of the person who represents the creditor in each field. Click on a group code drop-down menu and select the applicable type of creditor from the list. If the creditor is a practitioner or assistant who owns their own practice, complete the practice number and professional counsel number fields. The creditor's account needs to be assigned to a certain default expense account in order to ensure that the correct expense is going to the correct ledger account. Click on the VAT configuration drop-down menu and select the applicable option from the list. Please note that the brief explanation of each VAT option is explained below this field. VAT number refers to the VAT number of the creditor or supplier. Bank branch number is the branch number of the bank account of the creditor. Bank account number refers to the bank account number of the creditor. Click on the Choose Account Type drop-down menu and select the appropriate account type from the list. Once satisfied with the information completed on the screen, click on the Save button. After creditors have been added, they will appear on the creditors list indicating whether they are creditors, manufacturers or assistants.